lads.
Alright lads, it's a night before fast show, it's 12 o'clock, I've just got back from butlering. I'm absolutely knackered, I've got to get about 4:30. 4.5 hours sleep, holy shit, but I'll see you in the morning lads.
I'm sorry neighbours. Sorry lads. Right, we're about half an hour away from where Tommy's meeting us. There's a few cars here, there's a little CRV over there and it's absolutely fucking awesome. Got a thing. But we're going to get a Mackie because I'm absolutely starving and we're going to probably queuing up in fast show for about an hour. So we're going to get a Mackie D's lads. See if we see a shitty fear. Fucking hell, crew and half here. Subaru lads over here. Tommy's over there. There he is. You're in, lad. I'm gonna come next to you, mate. Whoa, nearly took out your wheel then, lad.
How slow is that? Like, I'm waiting about 15 minutes.
It's so weird, it's so weird. It's so weird talking to you, mate.
I know, I feel like I'm not an Xbox, to be honest with you.
I know.
I like your engine light, that's good that.
Cheers, mate.
Does that cost extra?
Yeah, mate. It's I know what it is though. It's a gearbox neutral position sensor switch. I'm hoping. The two beasts together, finally. Who's gonna win the drag strip race? No, I'm not taking it down. No way, mate. No way. Not doing it. I'll dig you in the wet. All the Subaru lads here. Where the fuck was my invite, you pricks? So Google Maps says we're about 10 minutes out and we're already in the fucking queue. It's probably going to be about an hour, lad. I reckon. Oh, yeah. Well, Tommy's going to pull in. And then...
There he is, he's pulling in.
Oh, is he pulling up there, is he? I can't see him from here. He's going to pull in, then we'll let him come out in front of us, just so we get a space next to each other. Here he is. Go ahead, Mr. Tommy Bizzle. T-Dizzle. So we're coming in here, I'm guessing, do you think?
I think so, yeah.
Then we're
coming in round there.
Got to go all the way up there and then back to the bottom 51 there. So right, fuck it, we'll find out. We'll wing it, lad. We'll wing it. Know that you know what you're doing. Right. Thank you very much. What have we got here, lads? Got some goodies. Got some Lockwood attire leaflets, but there's a lot of Subarus here. There's a really nice one in our rearview mirror there. Beautiful. Kind of want to go and do some four-wheel skids on there, badly. I might get told off, so I'm not gonna. Rear-wheel drive problems. Yeah, someone get the waterless wash out. Waterless wash, what's that? Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Do you know him?
Not personally.
Not personally. I want to know him personally. Literally goals. Fucking literally. 440
At the moment.
Fucking hell. I bet that's fun, isn't it? Bet you're dying to get on that grass up there.
Did I tell you that?
Did you take that down the drag strip, you lad? Did you actually take it on the drag strip? No way! Did you actually? Oh, man, that's mad, that, mate. It's the sort of colour I was going to get the Subaru wrapped in.
Right, that's a nicer colour.
It is a nice colour.
It look better than what it is now.
It will look better.
Yeah,
Oh, throwback. They are actually fucking beautiful, aren't they? Like, I do miss my fucking hell. This is a large one, this lad. Wonder what a small one's like. Fucking shot. Confronting boosted. Nah, to be honest. It was a joke, all that shit. It was a fucking joke. Is it what?
There's more chance of your fancy than you are.
Yeah, well, we thought about bringing boxing gloves and shit, but we didn't. Like. Yeah. No, he's got something nasty to him. He's a good lad. You can be nasty to Jamie though. No, I'm only joking. There you go. Maybe a bit more forward, a bit to the right, because you're blocking these in here. There you go. You're like a dickhead, mate, parking like that. You're like a dickhead. Is it warm in here, lad?
Yeah!
Oh.
Feel the power! Oh my god! I don't want to get out of the fucking car now. It's yours, it's like back seats.
I do want to, mate, but you know,
I was meant to put the
we need the
plastics
back
back
seats, don't we, lad? This sneaky bastard getting a good spot. Little sneaky fucker. I'm tucked away now. Lad. Hang on, thumbnail. Big good thumbnail now, lad. I was going to say, like, go that way, but alright, lads. Oh. The face of a nervous man. Right, let me get a thumbnail, then you can fuck off, lad. I'm putting the joggers on, these ripped jeans. My knees are fucked. Joggers are going on. Thank you, lad. Bolton Boosted'S white. Wait, what? How do you say it? It's a fucking tongue twister, that. Bolton Boosted'S wide arch kit, and then we need a thumbnail. Go back. Can you see it? Does it actually look like I'm doing different angles? Different angles. Do a look at there or do a look at the camera? What was better for the thumbnail? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. The camera? Yeah. Don't listen to him. Listen to me. Do what we're looking at. You or the camera? Do both. Do both. Fucking that thing. Skyline boys are here. Everyone step away. Step away, lad. Step away, lad. I'm more impressed how that golf got that fucking dirty. He's a nutter, he is. What have you got there, lad?
I'm trying to rate the road quick on it.
What the fucking hell, they're funky. Butt warmer?
Yeah, it's the same as handle.
They just react with the oxygen, don't they?
Right?
Yeah.
Open.
It's the iron that's, it's something like iron inside, it reacts with the oxygen and heats up. Something like that. I googled it because I was very intrigued how they work. When your black jumper doesn't look so black, look like a fucking tramp, lads. I've got black upon black upon black, and they're all different shades, repping the Calvins. And I've actually got black Calvins on.
I'm big can.
I didn't actually, no, that's sunbeds, that, mate.
Oh, is it? Oh, right.
Yeah, sunbeds, mate. It's sunbeds. Oh, it's too cold, it's not going to come up well.
That heat gun.
I was going to put, I might put the big fuck off Lockwood ones on the back. Do that as well, do that as well. Hey, look, I'm running them once. Oh, it's too cold for this.
Nah, you'll be
Rub it, just give it a bit of a rub.
Yeah, good old rub.
Give it the old Lockwood try.
The old Lockwood rub. Oh my god!
This is a family-friendly show.
Might have to edit this one down, lads.
Don't worry, many men have performance issues in the cold. I'm leaving you.
Are you still videoing this?
Yeah, I'm still videoing.
Oh my god! 40-minute video, this is gonna fucking
Oh, look at that precision.
Just send me the £2.50 on PayPal boosted. Link down below. PayPal me.
Plus VAT.
PayPalme.com.
I want to know if he's going to figure out straight away or not.
He
I don't know if
will.
he's
He
gonna
will.
consider it.
Here's the money shot.
Here's the money shot. Oh, look at that. Look at this thing. Miss. What's the thing? Miss DH? Mrs. What's her name? Miss 350. Look at this guy. Not you, eh? Not you, lad. See, that's an alright German car.
You want it, yours?
As German cars go, that's alright. My boys! My boys. That's what we are. Someone else to say.
Hang on, there's them not. Fucking.
Oh my sweet Jesus. Whoa, love him. We're hoping they actually open this. Hoping anyway. Oh.
We've got the Ravens right here, we've got the Ravens right there. That's you lot, that's you lot.
Fucking amazing.
I like that movement, man. I like that. You know I'm at 7 Nation Army right now.
Oh. Look at this thing. Which one's around Ross? Which one? I swear this is like one of the libraries of Need for Speed Most Wanted. I swear it is. So many fiestas, one happy man.
Two happy.
Two happy men, yeah. What are you scared for, everybody? What are you scared for? It's just a camera. It's an iPhone. It's just an iPhone 7 Plus. I'm just conveniently holding it landscape. No, we think the drags are on, so. Hi mate, you alright? Mate. I think they are. Are they actually on though?
Hi guys, I'm
Fucking hell, he's look at this. Fucking hell, what time's he pulling? Look at this thing. Wet. Shout out Chris Brown. We're finally getting underway. Started pissing it down again, so I think that'll be it now for the day. I think that'll be it. Non-refundable as well. It's the worst thing. These lads outside paying 35 quid. 35 quid for a run and not get the fucking money back. Daylight robbery, lads. You gonna go and do what? Sit in your car here. Sounds good, that mate. Might have to come join you in a minute if it don't stop raining. I think we're going to be calling it a day because everyone's going to start going in a minute because it's fucking freezing. They're on and off with the drag strip, so not everyone's just left there because it's just fucking raining and misty and shit and no one's actually on it. And I'm thinking that we best make a dash before everyone else starts making a dash. I mean, we'll be in traffic for about an hour or so. So I'm thinking we're probably going to start jumping out now, I think. Little YouTubers with their expensive cameras.
Yeah, let's just settle this right now. Everyone always says,
yeah, mate.
Why don't you get a microphone? You'll buy a microphone.
No, fuck the microphone. You need some image stabilisation. I need to sort your fucking hand out.
No, it's because I have severe thing like hand jobs. Can't have the camera still, is it? So
Include
like
that.
massive fucking thing like that, just to hold it still like a
Stop
massive.
swearing, you will get demonetised.
Are you ready, John?
Pass the phone, we've got to do this properly.
Right, alright, hang on.
Alright. I'm hoping that's set her up alright.
That'll be alright. Let me put my...
That's a DIY. Oh wait, what did we just say? Oh yeah. Yes! Yes! Okay.
So, how's the day been, would we say? Eventful, for one.
Yeah.
Interesting. really, I'm not gonna swear, really cold.
Really beeping cold.
Yeah, and then, I mean, they were supposed to do the drag racing and then it just never happened, which has just been absolutely terrible. But anyway, it's been an eventful day. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
I hope you've enjoyed too.
I think that whilst you are here on this video, you should go and subscribe to our YouTube channels that are linked in the description. B7TMY, Joey Mulligan right here. Goodbye. You can do the hand thing.
Alright. I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.